Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about while loop. So while loop will allows you to check for a particular condition. If the given condition is true, it will execute some part of a code. And we can say that while loop is a repeated if statement. Okay. And this while loop is the pre-tested loop. In while loop, if the condition is true, until that condition becomes false, it will execute the repeated statements. And for example, that while loop contains the keyword while, and what is the condition we want to check that, we have to use that condition. After that, we have to put a colon. So we can see with an example. We have to initialize the variable. So I'm going to use my variable as I. We are going to check with one condition. So I less than or equal to 10. Print of my I value. I plus equal to 1. So I is the initialization. I less than or equal to 10 is a condition. And I plus equal to 1 as a increment. Okay, so these are all the necessary steps to follow in the while loop. So this is initialization. So first time, if the condition is true, it will execute the print statement. First time I value is 1, it is incrementing in next step. So already my I value is 1, it is incremented by 1. So next time which becomes true. So 2 less than or equal to 10, condition is again true. Next time print of I value which is true. So again I value will be incremented. It becomes 3. So 3 less than or equal to 10. So keep on the conditional execute till it reaches 10. Like that the while loop will execute continuous further. So these are all the statements. So whatever you want to execute, either a print statement or a call station, so whatever you want to execute in a while loop, you can able to proceed with that. So what is called an infinite while loop? So if you are executing any initialization, but if you are not giving any increment or a decrement for that loop, means that loop never ends. That is called an infinite loop. And other than 0, if you are providing any value, that is called also infinite loop. Okay. For example, k is equal to 3, while 2 not equal to k, which means our k value is 3, always 2 not equal to 3 only. So if I want to false this condition, what I have to do? Decrease my k value, then only it becomes true. But I am not going to give any decrement operator for this k value. So what will happen? This statement keep on executing. So this is called a infinite loop. So like that, we can give one more thing. Any value other than 0. Okay, 4 or 5, whatever it is, we can say that that is also an infinite loop. So print of hello. So this is also execute for infinite number of times. So we are executing this. So this is also executed for n number of. Okay. So in next video, we'll discuss more with the examples. Thank you guys.